Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas Quiz Loader. First, let's understand what this tool is and how to get started. Canvas Quiz Loader is a browser extension for Chrome and Firefox designed to help students by automatically loading correct answers from their past quiz attempts. To begin, simply navigate to your browser's extension store, search for Canvas Quiz Loader, and add it to your browser. It's a quick, one-click installation process. Once installed, the core function of Canvas Quiz Loader is quite straightforward. When you start a new quiz attempt, the extension intelligently scans your previous submissions for that specific quiz. It identifies the correct answers you provided before and then automatically populates those answers into your current quiz attempt. This process eliminates the need for you to manually open multiple windows or copy and paste information, saving you valuable time. Canvas Quiz Loader supports a wide array of question types, including multiple choice, true or false, and numerical answers. It also generally handles matching, multiple answer, and even essay questions by showing your previous best submission. However, it's important to note some exceptions. If formulas or variables within a question have changed, you might need to adjust those answers manually. Also, fill-in multiple blank questions may not always auto-populate completely. For the best experience, always review the answers the loader provides before submitting your quiz. While it's designed for efficiency, a quick check ensures accuracy, especially with complex questions. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions, you can connect with the developer community, often found on platforms like Discord, for support and updates. Remember, keeping your browser updated also helps maintain smooth operation of the extension.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.